I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: shared access and the correct slide theme. Once ready, insert interactive elements, shapes as buttons, linked slides, and external links so navigation exists. Make sure to add multimedia like videos or GIF to increase engagement. They load differently in present mode. You'll also enable queue and/or audience tools now so live responses work. This first step sets structure and permissions, which is why you do it before advanced interactions. Next, you layer behavior. Link shapes to specific slides, sections, or external URLs so the presentation behaves like an app. Use entrance and exit animations sparingly, and set transition triggers to control flow. This creates the illusion of interdependent screens. If you need data capture or conditional responses, embed a Google form or add a small app script to update content dynamically. Make sure to test each link and trigger in present mode as you go, because timing and order matter. To finish, run full rehearsals and invite collaborators to test every button, link, and embedded item in present mode. You want real user pacing. Once done, confirm sharing and media permissions so embedded videos and forms display for your audience. If something fails, check link targets and script permissions immediately. A single troubleshooting tip: when dynamic elements break, replace the failing piece with a lightweight fallback, an animated GIF or image, and re-enable advanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.